In this video, I'll be showing you how you can change your password in BMO Online. First is you have to head inside the official BMO site and then tap on the Forgot Your Password here. After clicking it, you just need to review this information, which will be including your user ID, the primary email address that you use for the account, and the social security or the tax identification number. Once done, just click the continue button. And in the third image, you have to input the user ID that you use for your account, the email address, and the last 6 digits of your SSN and your TIN. And once done, just click the reset password and confirm your information and then click the submit. If your submission is successful, you will receive two emails for security purposes. First is the email that will notify you of the password reset, and the second one will contain the temporary password that you should use with your user ID to access online banking. And that's it. That's how you can change your password or reset your password in BMO Online, and thank you for listening.